Hi, welcome. I'm Andrew Mason, the Executive Director of the Willamette Falls Trust. I'd like to welcome you to the former site of the Blue Heron Paper Mill and the future site of the Willamette Falls Riverwalk experience. Standing here on Main Street in Oregon City, take a look around. You'd never know that we're just steps away from the nation's second largest waterfall. Planned for 2022, the Riverwalk experience will change the landscape here. I'd like to take you a tour today of that site and show you two key components of what that Riverwalk experience is. The first place I'd like to show you is the future site of the public yard. Our vision here is for a cultural center, a vibrant spot that draws on the values of Willamette Falls that's been a crossroads for the community since time immemorial, a gathering place. The Willamette Falls experience is an experience for everybody. We're gonna have hot chocolate here available for cold winter days. We'll have craft brews available for the warm summer days. What is it that you want to bring this place to life in the way that it can and should be for everyone as they come to experience Willamette Falls? So now we're out on the dam coming up to one of the old mills that we're gonna transform into a viewpoint. Why? The views from here are breathtaking. Have a look. The amount of work that we have to do here is also breathtaking. So I'd like to show you inside to see what we have in mind. Anchored firmly in the same basalt that serves as a foundation for the falls, this structure is literally rock solid. Once we remove some of the nasty siding that's around here, we have the opportunity to bring in a lot more natural light and then plant the space with a grove of native trees. In 2022, we have the opportunity to take advantage of the three-dimensional aspects of the structure and provide a three-dimensional experience with the Riverwalk by creating a spiral walkway that goes up 3 stories, providing incomparable views of the falls. We finished today where we started, at the falls. The force and power of the Willamette River, dropping 42 feet, inspires awe and reverence. The roar of the water captured the imaginations of Native American tribes, of Oregon Trail settlers, and of industrial innovators. Forces like this cannot be ignored. After being hidden away for more than a century, we now have an opportunity to bring this unique vision of inviting the world to Willamette Falls to life. But we can't do this alone. We need you. With your support, with your gift to the Willamette Falls Trust today, we can bring the abundance, the natural beauty, and the robust history of Willamette Falls to the world. Make your legacy the legacy of public access to Willamette Falls. Thank you so much for coming out and taking this tour with me today. And thank you so much for helping us to make this vision a reality.